Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2022 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Willys Sport in black clear coat with hill start assist, trailer sway dampening, 17-inch aluminum wheels, black 3-piece hardtop, tow package, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 20,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, command track part-time 4-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seat, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P7905.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.